Getting rained on, baby? You're not caring? Just caring about... Ah! Don't drink the water. Not from the ground. This isn't a stream. Not a freshwater stream, at least. You're gonna slip. I called it, for the record.
You may have had a concussion. We're going to do a series of x-rays. You don't understand, Doc. I have to get out of here. I still have a chance. I'm sorry. Are you family?
Yes, sisters.
Oh, great. There's some paperwork I need for you to fill out. See an organ donor? Don't let them fill anything out. I don't even know them.
Oh, I'm Hilde, and this is Ingrid. We are hair models from Belgium.
Belgian hair models? How clever.
Listen to me, Doc. I need to find a phone before I miss out on the most important deal of my life.
I think your brother's a little delirious.
I am not their brother. I don't have any sisters.
Are you okay? I came as soon as I heard.
Why are you wearing a pink overcoat?
Because April gave us the $1,200.
So she just up and gave you the money? You don't think she heard about the auction?
No, I didn't even tell her about the auction until after she took me back. She just showed up at the factory, took off her coat, and begged me to take her.
Done with the rain?
We made love around. I've only ever seen a nature dance.
I just can't believe it. I'll be able to open up another restaurant. You're back with April. You'll even be able to keep that worthless factory.
You know, it's funny that you call the factory worthless. Because, well, there's something I probably should have mentioned before.
Yeah? Well, I guess I have something to confess, too. Hey, isn't that Caesar's truck? Oh, my God.
Caesar, what happened?
Please, sir, he's not well.
Try to think. Did you come from the house?
Boss! Finish! I won't eat it! How'd you find him? Where was he?
911 call. No voice. You could hear screaming in the background. He was locked in the trunk in the attic. We'll call him if you get any leads.
Get down. Get down. Good job. Sedeje. Chunky baby.
What is that?
Don't get on the chair. You can slap all the water out you want. Yeah, good job. Glad to see you haven't actually fallen, my son.
Looks like Caesar decided to make himself a sandwich.
Toasted the side with the cheese.
Nice warm bath after this?
Another
Yeah.
side.
Yeah.
So the arugula doesn't work. How do they know that?
You watching Mouse Hunt?
Hello.
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Sky? Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. You're awake. Bye to the camera. Thank you.